Samuel Bornica, Joel Dorado, Pauline Chico, and of course, Rosendo Cailin. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the board of directors of Windward Hills Homeowners Association. And right now, guys, we're just going to have our auditor, Maria Gina Lisa Felipe, the treasurer, Erna Mayor, the secretary, Renato Sejo, the vice president, Cynthia Aguilar Tio, and of course, the president, Jocelyn Romero. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to our Windward Hills Homeowners Association Incorporated newly elected officers. Isang malakas at masigabong palakpakan naman po dyan. And to let our oath-taking ceremony, please hold.
The supreme authority of the Constitution of the Lord. So help me God.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much to our vice mayor. To represent. Thank you so much. And of course, right now, guys, we're just going to introduce to you the Marshall team. Sa pamumuno po ng ating board of directors, Christopher Belieza.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Isa sa mga mahalagang aspeto at ang pagpanatili ng kaayusan at katahimikan sa ating komunidad. Kaya naman sa araw na ito, nais ko pong ipakilala sa inyo yung pugay ang mga tao maging kaakibat natin sa pagbabantay upang tiyakin ang ating kaligtasan. Mga kaibigan, mga kapwa ko, officers and bodies, at mga kapitbahay, sabay-sabay po natin palakpakan at i-welcome ang ating masisipag at maasahan, ang pagkakatiwalaan, tagapagpapulot at kapayapaan at ating Court Marshal. Ilan po kayo?
Ibigay.
Palakpakan po natin sila, mga kasama, ating matitigas na Marshal. Ating po, sir.
SPM Eric Atienza, SPM Dr. Gabi Takawan. Maraming salamat din po sa ating mga barangay officials. Overburning Captain Renilo Neves, Kagawad Neriac Pastor, Kagawad Donna Cruz, Kagawad Nicolor Samson, Kagawad Guillermo Balan, Kagawad